Christians ought to celebrate God's goodness personally, consciously, and above all with their soul and all, no matter the situation or challenges of life, just like David did in the book of Psalm 103. This was the submission of the General Secretary, Church of Nigeria Anglican Communion, the Venerable Dr. Paul Gershinen Dajur, while preaching at the 2018 Harvest and Thanksgiving service of the Chapel of the Advent Primate's Office with the theme, Celebrating the Goodness of God. The preacher, Venerable Dr. Dajur, stated that challenges of life are bound to happen, but Christians must learn to look up to Jesus Christ, who is the author and finisher of their faith, and not depend on the world.
If you look at God, you will be at rest. Amen. You look elsewhere, there is distress, there is depression. And you know, in Nigeria today, there are all kinds of news. The news is that either that some communities have been raided by the Fulani herdsmen, or that there is flooding, or there is one thing or another, and people are dying day in, day out. And the trouble is that you are wondering, when shall it be my turn? So you begin to accept as if it has become normal now. So let me wait for my own turn. Can I tell you, you don't have a turn in that. So if that is the situation, you don't look at yourself, you don't look at the situation, you look at the person who made you. And God is the one who made you. Assuring himself that there is something that God is able to do. You may not see it, but God is still alive. You may not feel it, but God is still there. You may not touch, but God is still there. So there is no time at any point in time that God is absent from his people.
He further encouraged Christians to always celebrate